Hello guys, welcome. So today I'm going to teach you how to model a very famous type of bolt. So this is M6 bolt with 1 millimeter of thread pitch. So let's see now how we are going to do it step by step. So starting with SOLIDWorks, so we are going for the part section, and then we will select a plane, and then we will draw it. So for M6 standard bolt, 6 means the nominal diameter, so it's 6 millimeters. So after that, going with the extrude feature. So if you look at the dimensions, it's 30 millimeters in length, so taken as 30. So we have now created the body of the bolt, and now we are going to create the thread, which is the very important part. So I'm going to use a guideline. Then I'm taking this. So I have drawn it. Okay. Then now we go to features. We go to curves. We insert a helix. So now we have to go to the reverse direction, and we have to select the thread pitch as 1 millimeter. So for like 16 millimeters, we have drawn the sketch, and we need to adjust the start point. To make it 90, start point, right over. Okay, done. Okay, so now we have created the thread, the pitch. So now we are going to create the base. Okay, so now I'm going to show how the pitch is going to be. So there are like plenty of YouTube videos that people they show how to draw, how to model a bolt, but no one used the real thread embossed. So no one is doing it. So a lot of people are having problems. So I'm going to show you. So we are going to use the thread here. So the pitch in now one is going to be 1 millimeter. Then the height, h is usually it's 0.8 times the pitch. So here it's going to be p over 8 and p over 4. So guys, let's see how we're going to do it. So now there is the base guide, and I'm going to draw a center line from here, and then this is going to be our base. Okay, now I need to draw the real line. So this is going to be the thing. Okay, Now these are all horizontal lines, these are all horizontal lines. It's perfect. So now we need to go to the dimensions. So now let's see, now let's go to the picture back. So here it's P08 and here it's P04, so we need to take half. So up becomes P16 and P08 at the bottom. So here it becomes P, so P is 1 over 16 millimeters. So done. And here it becomes P is 1 over 8. Done. Now I'm going to mirror the feature. So it's better tick all these lines individually when you're mirroring it. If not, it will cause some complications. So now this is a trick that we all use when we are using SOLIDWorks. Now you know that we are going to use a sweep cut feature. So if we stick with this end, then we are going to have some problem. So we are just going to jet it out, and we are going to finish the design. Okay, so now we have the text, so it's done. Now guys, I'm going to use the sweep cut feature. Okay, so for the profile, we have the profile here, and the curve, we have the curve. Okay, so SOLIDWorks has plotted it, and done. So now we have a very perfect thread with pitch of 1 millimeter. So it's very rare to find a YouTube video which shows how to create the exact thread. So likewise, you can change the pitch. You can use 0.8, 0.5, depends on whatever the bolts available. So here we have a problem here, right? So what I'm going to do is, I have found a method, so that's my method. So you just click it and you sketch, and so what you do there is you go with convert entities. You go with convert entities, so it's converted. Features, just go off with a extrude cut. So that should be okay. Done. So now we have a perfect thread. So now we are going to create the bolt head. So we need to start it from here. So now we need to use a polygon. So we know it's a hexagon. We are using the 10 millimeter spanner when we want mount or unmount the M6 bolt. So we need to use a polygon with the diameter of this circle should be 10 millimeters exactly. So it should be 10. Done. So I'm using a guideline because I need to use this. Okay, so exactly we have 10, so we can bring the 10 millimeter spanner. So exactly 10. So there's a tolerance always. So we need to refer to the tables exactly. Each manufacturer will have their own tolerance values. So this is done, and according to the drawing, so we can go to the drawing. It's 3.5 millimeters. this length, and it's done. But if we don't see this type of hex, so there is a chamfer at the head, so we are going to plot the chamfer. So now here we need to run a circular chamfer. It's like a conical shape, so I need to draw the center from here. So then again missing the line. So if someone asks me why I am going to use a shape like this, so because to reduce the complications, sometimes if it is like this, you can adjust it. If you just draw only kind of triangular, then it's difficult to adjust. So then I think everything is okay for the sweep, and let's sweep cut it. So we go with sorry, it's not sweep cut, it's a revolve cut. So we go with the revolve cut feature, then should be fine. See, it's a perfect bolt. This can be adjusted a little bit depending on how much we can do it. So afterwards we can add a texture, body color, so called light grayish color. So then this is the bolt which I have shown you at the beginning. So guys, likewise you can draw it to different sizes, different pitches, different thread pitches, different hex sizes, so called. You can even use different types of mounting methods, like you can bring Allen key type bolts and all this type. So guys, stay with us and subscribe our channel. We are going to teach you a lot of things in the future, and you can have a look on our you can go to our other videos, and you can see and you can subscribe, and you can write your comments down. If you have any questions, send it to us, and we will answer back whenever we are online. So guys, thank you very much for staying with this video, and hope you'll have a nice day. Bye.